Hello everyone and welcome to Liquid Evil Gaming. So I figured here I was going to share this unboxing of the Pok3r 60% mechanical size keyboard. This is a really hotly anticipated keyboard among the mechanical keyboard community. I just got mine in the mail today. People have gotten them long before I have, but people are still looking into ordering them. So I figured I'd show you exactly what to expect when you open one of these, and I will be doing a full review within a week or so, as soon as I've had a little bit of time to play with the thing and get used to it here. So, and forgive me as I do this one-handed. So, of course, we open the box to reveal another box. And inside of that box, we've got some fancy-looking little foam here. And it's, oh my god, this is heavy. Wow, okay. Well, that's obviously the keyboard itself. What do we got on the side? On the side here, got our USB cable. Nothing fancy, typical rubberized, little stiff. Kind of wish they would have included a cloth one, but considering what else they included with the keyboard and its build quality, I kind of get that. No USB to PS2 converter. That's a little bit disappointing, but whatever. So, let's get on with the keyboard itself. Now, if I can get it out of this little foam thing. Excuse me while I put you down for 1 second here, folks. Alright, so this is the keyboard itself. As you can see, you've got stock, these are PBT caps actually, which for stock caps are really, really nice. Usually you have to pay extra and then install them yourself. Usually a lot of keyboards come with ABS plastic, which wears thin, starts to shine because the coating wears off. PBT lasts a long, long time, and the lettering pretty much almost never wears out on these. These are MX clear switches, so they're silent tactile, as you can tell. Keyboard is definitely very bulky and well built. It's got an aluminum backplate here. Which I gotta tell you, an aluminum case for these keyboards at this price point, which in this case with the clears was $129, is actually very cheap. Usually to get aluminum backplates and a 60% board like this, you're gonna be paying upwards of $150, $180, even $200 for something like a Ducky. So this is kind of what it sounds like here. And that's me pressing fairly hard on the keys, so it's not that loud at all, considering it's got PBT caps and it's hitting aluminum. So I do like it so far. It feels very well built. I love the fact it has stock PBT caps. That's a huge thing for me. The aluminum case, again, huge, huge, huge plus. Wish they would have included some more accessories. Like I said, big disappointment they didn't have USB to PS2 adapter, but I have one of those, so I can use it. Not a big deal. And I'll be ordering a custom USB cord, probably a paracord wrapped one, as I don't really like the stock cable very much. But considering the build quality and what you get for the price point here for a 60% board, I really think it's a great deal, at least so far. We'll get into it once I actually use it more, and I will have a full review up probably within a week or less for those interested, including links of where to purchase this keyboard. So as always, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, rate, and subscribe. Have a good one, everybody.